Bro, I'm over here in Sunset City, and I'm flying, right? And I'm seeing these two, right? So first I found them all the way up here. Bro, oh, bro, all the way up here in the mountains. Cause I was on here just sniping people. And I found them all the way out here, pretending to fucking stuff. I'm like, what the hell is going on here? And stuff, and then they decide to move the spot. Now I'm finding them over here in front of the school, doing the Roblox, I want to see where they're gonna go next, so I can show you guys. I think they're gonna go inside the school. Yeah, they're going inside the school. I'm gonna go after them. Oh, somebody's trying to hit me. You hear them? I'm gonna go after them. Oh, damn, he's on me. I'm gonna go. Pretty sure they're gonna be going in from like the bathroom or something like that. You see what I'm talking about, right? What the hell is this? And then she tries to play it off, and then they try to hide. And she's still doing it. This is the weird stuff that they do on Roblox, my dude. First time I found them that the dude was lying down on the floor, and then she's sitting, and then, alright, well, let me show you. So, the guy was on the floor like this, and then she was on the floor like doing this on top of him and stuff, and then she was doing this on top of him and stuff. Bro, hold on. Dude. No, I'm not even gonna respond to these people. Ain't that? Yo.